Nation. Ito na siya. Alden Richards!
For all the times I felt you like a man, you know how I like to cry. From all the lies I've repeated, those two things, I still curse that rain. Didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue. Then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel. It's right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know. Cause God gave me you. And all the times I wore myself beating like a favorite shirt, all wrapped up in that hurt. From every glass I saw half empty. Now it overflows like a river through my soul. From every doubt I had, I'm finally free, and I truly believe. Than just how I feel, that I'm worth, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why. Now I do. Cause God gave me you. In your arms I'm someone new, with every tender kiss from you. Oh, let's confess, I've been blessed.
Mga Dabbercats, kung napupunan niyo po, palagi ako nagpapasalamat. Pero tong kantang to, gusto ko munang ialay ito kay Meng. Meng, para sa ito.
It's right before my eyes. Cause God gave me you. God gave me you. Cause God gave me you.
Thank you! Thank you, Alden!
Naramdaman ko yun, grabe.
Grabe ka naman, Alden. Ba't ka ganyan? Ba?
At saka ito
Pinapaiyak mo kaming lahat.
naka-text lang ng mga taga-DOJ, nasan daw ang hustisya, umiyak pogi pa rin.
Ito ang matindi. Pati yung mga gwardya namin dito sa studio na iiyak kayo ng CF2. Pati na po sa Los
Parang show nga.
Cantantes de Manila, yung ating choir, maraming salamat po at sinamahan niyo si Alden.